Yeah, welcome to TalkUp TV 1 and a big bad movie a name. What else a man got to do?
Go for more. Can be a fight me for shit. Man for wash, man for cook, man for clean. Yeah, a man for wash me body. That's how you go. Yeah, man for do everything. Then for give me money, load, bag
Hello,
of money,
watch out
trailer
people.
load of money.
This is just the start of it. This is just the start of it. Sit down, come on the popcorn, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell.
Tell a friend.
More.
You tell a friend.
Yeah, I'm out.
What I'm doing?
No tell babe, say me no want anything that towel up. Me no want no towel up. Let's say just brawling in your face, put it down here so. Like when the place me need. Justin! Why get up and go and have a record for you? And clean up his speaker and stand.
Sleep. What's so much? I'm going to kill me. You dear them. Let me see, I can't do it.
I say, man, come go up on the road, go pay my partner money. Go pay my partner. Look how much money I have in my bag. What? You think me didn't have enough money? No, sir. Honey. Babes. Babes. Wake up now, you sleep so long. You tired? Wake up, I want to talk to you.
Yes.
Come babe, I want to talk to you about something. I want to go pay my partner because remember say me all of the sale if buy one stove. I say me da buy all one stove out of partner
Sure.
money me get it because stove I move slow.
Yeah, me
But
get a
guess
part of stove.
what? The partner money short.
So much more I want. Thursday,
Me say 1,500. And babes, remember say you always give me something extra, you know.
see that? Extra delay, you know. Or up and go pay partner
That's why
bill.
me love you, say, you know.
Yeah, man. Away boy there.
You know, say me did send him gone outside, gone rake up the place all long now.
That boy. Justin! That boy there. Away in there. I see him. Tell me no, I see little boy there. Whenever I leave Philip out of yard without my permission. Yo, give me a phone. Take off stuff your head. How are you promoting a boy? Get up. Go on this up. Go on this man. Feel like you're a man.
Mommy, I see daddy can't lick me in my head. Me big ring on his finger.
Me come here, boy.
Oh my God.
Yes, and the boy was if you go rake, you know, the boy so I play a game, you know what kind of game you run there, play on your phone. Now. Sit down, so cut them like my big man. You know where you get that from?
You can't come Kim in our head because of that. We don't want to have no mad pit, you know.
Me come Kim, boy, me come here.
Look on the big ring on his finger when
Me
it
not like
comes.
them.
Stop tell lie, man. Me don't come here, man. Look, you come here, look at daddy, I tell lie. If I look at daddy, I tell lie already. Where you go do?
You mean
When I
to
get
tell
bigger.
me, say, Justin go stand up in front of my father and they tell lie?
The boy never see what tell
Justin,
lie.
if
So
your
what tell
father
lie?
don't conk, you don't come in here, can't tell no lie,
Put on
Justin.
the big ring on them finger.
Looking at it, you say
say
me conk him, you see coke in your head, searching
Ah,
head.
you know what
See
to?
right, look how it big.
When me send you
I
out, they
think
go
conk
rape
is true.
up your yard. If you did out, then they
Yes,
rape up
see, my
your
make
place.
me conk me.
Your father would come out if you come
What you know?
man. You have to hear when people talk
Hear
to
me,
you.
I say, babes, don't make you rise up your blood
You
pressure,
know
you know, or your sugar or what. Do what you say, I
Babes,
do.
me I go pay my partner money, so
And you know what? In grounded for the phone, enough phone for me now.
take you away from him, he
Alright,
grounded
that's
from the
right.
phone. Later, you hear?
Yeah, man, later.
Take
Take
care
care
of
on the
place.
road.
Yeah, and take care of Justin. Justin, he just listen when your father talk to you, know? My God, later,
If you
babe.
hear, man. Look, you go rake up your yard. When talk one more time, I see. Rake up your yard, man.
Give them breeze, man. Cool and nice. Man. Some more money for the blow up on me like them cool breeze, you know. Jaja. Them big house there. Them sitting there, I talk about, man. I see it. Big pool in a yard and they sitting there. Sea view. Room. Big up the whole of me charge them. Che. So lady brave though. To count out cash. Say wrong place she walk.
Hold on. What they go on, sir?
You don't know, say corner your shop. I see the one bike, one car kill one bike man.
I mean,
Sure you're not trying to rob me over
Me hurry up, try to cross the road, brother. What did that general man?
Yeah, man, me alright, man.
Brother,
I
I
walk in a sharp corner, you know. So me
Somebody
might
that
as
talk
well
about rap. We
cross
can
the
look
road.
for rap. It's a nice, decent, pretty girl.
Don't you know, like how you they look, you know, like you don't want to try rob the lady.
You know that type of person there.
Make sure you're alright, you know.
You look splendid like the sun.
Alright, gentlemen,
Hey, baby, you're a
thanks for your
diamond. Now
check
you're
for me.
glisten, so baby.
Me a diamond and gold
Boy,
in a
you're
one.
glisten in your ears, in your nose. Hey,
Yeah,
baby,
so
1
much
minute. Oh,
talk.
you're also.
You realize me I go about my business?
Yeah, me understand that. That's why I'm just willing to just
Sun
walk with
hot,
you. Yeah, so
sun
we can
hot.
walk with you in the cool shade, baby.
Walk with me, you can walk on the road, yes, you're free to walk on the road. If you see me nice and sexy, and you see me as somebody woman.
Well, Jamaica,
easy.
with there, no problem, lady. Me not tell no lie.
You can go and talk, me have my man, if you want me make it clear to you.
Hey,
I
me
mean,
not
I
tell
look
no lie,
nobody.
no. Listen up, I want to be summer in your winter, you know. You see in your house, make you walk on porcelain, not splinter, yeah?
A carpet, my man make me walk on in our house. Go on YouTube.
That's cool, no, man. I just the other day one
You
church
eat too
sister
much
invite me
sugar,
to church.
you eat too much sugar,
I'm not
you
a
drink
sinner.
too much honey. Look here, your
I'm
mouth
not
is
a
too
sinner.
sweet.
I'm not a sinner, baby, yeah? I'm
You
a
is
good
not a
man.
sinner?
Yeah, I'm a good man. You don't need a good man.
You say your glasses them dark, but you is not a sinner,
Ah,
so
man.
your glass dark, so your heart
Me
dark.
can take it off here, man. What you see now? Pure and clean and pretty. Watch your smile, man.
Look here,
Oh,
look
she
here.
nice, man.
Me
Come
know
out of the sun, baby. Mind care. Remember me tell you so that corner there, you know.
Yeah, distract me and me I go about my business.
Lady, the reason why you see me run over to you, you know, because you see that corner there? It's a very dangerous corner, and I don't want such a nice lady like you to get damaged in that
Me
corner.
understand and me thank you for save me
mean,
from
man.
the sharp corner, as
Yes.
you say. Me can't go now because I'm on the
So,
street.
so
and
where upon the avenue you come from? baby?
Jesus Christ, too much question one time, you're police.
Not really, you know. But I'm kind of interested in your dainty body, you know what I mean?
You're determined though.
Oh, God, man. In February, I'm born, you know. The
Right.
second week. No, tell no lie. You look resemblish. Like, you know.
Nobody go listen, nobody go listen. Me have a man. Remember me tell you say me have a man and me no plan for give him no bun. I want to tell you, sure.
Lady, your must bring you out a weekend time.
Don't try get
You
into
wanna
my
see a walk
business.
now, you know, baby. You don't see a man with you now, baby. I may have time for spare with you. If your man will love you that much, you would have spend a quality time with you. Not them sometime, yeah. You would have be blanket over you right now.
You should have give thanks saying now walk with me right now
Watch
because
them,
I
man. Me
surely
even
bust up
want
your
the
head.
sun burn up you, you know,
Move
baby.
yourself from your stand.
Hey.
I'm not stretch your arm over me because me not even know
No,
you.
man. Me deodorant strong, man. Degree. The spray
How
one.
with that, me not smell you.
Yeah, me not tell no lie, no.
They just
Even
skin
though
on
you have a
me ears
little-
like that little ningy
Even though
ningy
you have a
fries,
little
so.
attitude yourself, you know, I kinda like them something there.
Alright. You can work with the floor.
Yeah man,
Alright.
so we're heading.
I shot me a go.
Me
Something
follow-
I go
me
back.
follow you, baby.
Jesus Christ. You know why you make me man see me here walking up?
Oh,
You don't want a
yeah.
problem, you know?
Me not really start girl, you know.
And you would have your woman too.
No man, he's a nice, decent child man. Me not tell you man,
Everybody go say they're nice and
I'm not a
decent
sinner.
and-
Look for me good. I'm not a sinner.
Thief never go say them a thief.
Look for me good. Me look like thief.
Look for me not give on neither. I would never think of doing that. I would never do it.
You
Let me
look
tell you,
good,
I
you
think
know.
you say me tell you.
Can't get a number.
Look here, small world. Sure, what's coming to me is like a little noisy bug. Just torment so. Sure, good God man. Not like them a type of fussy man I need and I just a run off for me. I'm going to mind it.
Wow, worry yourself, man. The class a wiggle up the door. Don't tell no lie still, you know, you out of that boy, the saver, you know. All of them money there. Worry yourself.
John, you know, say my birthday come up. I have a lot of money I save, you know. God know me I save. I carry go somewhere nice for your birthday, you know. Soon reach up there, man. Soon reach up there, you know. But I need 20 more pound this right now. God know. I tell you it's a way. But I go touch on the street, go say I can get more duffel pound this, I know. Falan!
But you not come on, girl.
It's been a long time.
Nice, man.
You know, some woman always take long for ready. A lipstick, me did a put on. Sure.
Woman take long for dress, you know. So woman tell me, my friend, I know how long we did the wait for you.
Mr. Good dog.
You want me baby?
Yeah, you are my man.
Party whole day today.
Come on, this.
Everybody ready?
Long time we dey wait
Oh no,
for
answer me
you.
now, you ready? Look one like you don't know one talk, man.
You dey wait for the fella
Oh,
no
we
wait
can't
for
care
you.
ourselves.
I don't know, so your man hard to deal with.
The man not hard for deal, we better have
One-
deal
one
for
go for-
you.
one
You
go
dey
for-
wait for fella and they wait
Oh,
for
yeah,
you.
you want to
Ready,
like
man?
me,
Go hungry.
Britney, have everything?
Go hungry. Yes, me
You have
everything.
extra panty?
But
You
we
have
can't go
extra
rum
tights?
place first, you know.
Okay.
Well, you
Come
can-
with that
Yeah,
one,
rum
man.
first.
I
A treat
have
guys
your
want
phone.
to.
You have finish everything
yeah.
alright. Yeah, man.
You want to get enough?
We have to tap a liquor store
Yeah.
first.
You stop a liquor store first.
What do you
Yeah.
get?
Yeah!
Street
Go
vibes.
first!
Street vibes, dog. See guys, wait. Come on the other side here. Who you not going to come check you? I want you to go on girl. What you have a partner? I can't come in on. You want me now?
Princess, come on, man.
Come now!
No.
You know you can't trust me already. Come now.
Falan, listen.
Look at who in here, them cool.
Falan, me can't come
We
here.
have four about now. We have
Oh, we
everything
have
locked.
chicken,
We have
we have
money,
come
we
in
have
now.
food, we'll get rum.
Falan, me come to pay my partner and go back round because
Give me
right
partner
now-
money when you go.
Me no, look at it, you can pay for and come.
Yeah,
No,
when
listen what me
No,
they
no,
say.
you have to pay a
Right
partner.
now my life depend on a stable road. And you see,
I mean,
my
yeah,
man not too
yeah,
rich you know, but life is a little bit governed for it. And I want to keep things that way that we are trying to save up some little money and things to get things
But the man
together.
not there, sir.
Me not really have
Look here.
time for sport.
Look here,
also,
you know
you
it's cool like that. You know saying certain things.
your man
everything
not
go
there,
bad.
come now.
So come
Alright, give me money
forward.
and come in. Come in and give me
This
money.
partner money, me can't
Come on,
come
Dari.
Falan. Me-
Come, yeah, come on.
Look
Come
here.
in.
No, me have to go home first.
Come through your son.
So wait, they're gonna
No, me have to go ask him first. Me have to go
Call
home
him,
and
call
ask-
him.
No, Falan, me have to go home and ask him first.
So alright, come, we're gonna go
Yeah,
in
man,
your house.
you come
we're
here,
gonna go in
come
your
and
house.
warm to you.
Come, we're gonna go in your house. Yeah, let me put
Put her in. Put her in your son.
Open the door.
Me not left you.
Open here, open here.
Walk through your son. Go through your son, girl. If I
You
close,
know,
if I want extra clothes, we have
Falan,
money. We can buy a
Falan,
bath
me not
suit.
really.
We can buy a bath suit. Go over.
You
Scoot
know,
up.
say me not like them style, I
Come,
just the partner, man.
come. See you up now. Cause
Falan,
me
look
not
here,
left
man.
you. Me not left in you.
You know they push me in a bus like me and my man live
Go
bad
on
and
in.
all
Me
the
ask
street.
you.
Man, me have
If you're
I
not
have
credit,
the-
me buy credit to you. Ready? Hit the road, Jack. Hit the road, Jack.
Just did not learn at school, you know. The time I say I go to school, I come and go hit my money. I go ramp with people at school. Nah, learn, man. No, what do you man your phone? You mean phone and game. I want dumpling me a game, you know. I install her my game enough, more dumpling. No provide none any at all. Satisfied. Justin! Yeah. Come here, my son. Hear me now make some soup for you, you know. You
One dumpling and a little bit of soup, yeah?
Listen me I say. You're not doing that yard, major. Eat that and satisfy. Sit down there, sir. Eat little, eat long. You hear me say me I got work, you know. You understand? And your mother soon come. So probably she'll come and she'll carry something on the way, come give you. So I don't want you up on the road, you know. I don't want you to go to go find them boy there ride bicycle. I don't want you, so when I come back your foot broke or your hand broke, I don't have no money, you know. Look, the money I have to send I got college when you're done. You understand? Yeah. So watch you know, I work me I go. Eat that stay in the yard.
So
you hear me?
feed you with the fork.
Watch you know, man, put your head, man. Watch out, I soon come. I left on my phone. Good. It's when they have too much things on your brain. They move too fast. Watch you know, later. Here, remember I go up on the road, you know. You may talk, you know, my son. I go up on the road, stay far. Alright.
One cake. One time.
And the handicap on the brain coming here.
One pick.
Come on, I'm papa my man door, you know.
Me pull it.
Open on the door and yourself, come in and tell them
Take your time, it's automatic.
Force me out.
One go do I
One and come down here with
Me I go ask him, I'm not sure.
Left your bag.
No, me can't.
If you say you can't come, left your bag, that's it. Look like you can't come back. You tell say you come back for your bag.
Good evening, good evening. Respect, you know. What's up?
Want to tell us something?
Yes, you know.
You can't wait. Fallon, you was a friend them when they go for one little trip. So me did say if me and you couldn't go.
Oh, I'm tell you the truth right now. We never plan for no on-call for spending right now, you know.
Babes, we don't really have nothing to do at home, you know, we
Listen,
can't go.
Me know, so when I go, listen, no, me know, so when I go, you're going to want something to eat. You understand? Remember, say your money and my money, you know. And my money and your money. Remember, say you are in there too, you know.
So what you try to say, anyway, we are going to spend up
Anyway,
some money and...
Wait, listen, I work me I go right now. So I'm not want to be late.
So that sound like it's a no then?
Next time, we do something better than that, man. Don't worry yourself.
I'm going to fussy myself then. If you say it can't work out, we'll adjust.
Alright then.
Go stay.
Nobody feel no way, you know.
Let's see you come.
I did really want to go, but if I saw
I'll come
so
and I'll
later,
come.
we
Alright.
can't go by that come. Take care of your
No,
baby.
sir, you're not going to make it
Can't
one
bother
next time, you know.
come,
Like seriously.
We are
One
trying
next
to
time,
balance a thing
man.
right
You
now.
try to balance a little thing, you know.
You're real
Oh God, man.
me know
Only
some man
is
ain't
the
gonna
man.
make it, but me know say I hustle.
Oh, watch you know, big up on yourself and respect you know, you don't know you gotta go up on the road.
Could have make
No.
a female come in and you see you know.
Watch you know, man. You cut long story short.
No,
We are bigger fish we fry.
Alright, big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
I want empty, man.
Big up yourself here, Shayna.
Man, you look mean.
I'm like,
All
I
right.
don't come out like going
For
down.
your senior to say look mean.
Honey, me, he big and work
Hey,
with slow.
I tell us me better enough,
Watch him,
man.
how him walk God
See me
forward
that
by
man look
himself.
mean.
Mommy.
Watch out, what happened? Alright?
Yeah.
So where they are do now?
Just sit down.
You eat already?
No, I want to see one piece of dumpling that they give me cutting off with little bit of soup.
Justin, let me tell you something. Don't complain about no food. At least your father could have able to provide if I even one dumpling. Some mama provide man time for them picnic.
But he not give me a gun.
Justin eat and give thanks. At least say a prayer your belly will be full. Take it, say me tell you that. Always pray when you eat, your belly will be full. Sit down man and relax yourself. I'm not even in my mood for eat no food still now, but me I go see if me get some for eat, cause God know me. You just feel tired, you ever feel boring and stressed out yet? That's because you be. I say your mother feel right now. Go eat some of that food. So you say my son, you really not gonna eat none of that food?
When you say that you can't cook your food, not even look like it tastes good.
You not tasty, so what you mean? Boy, so what am I going to do now?
It does look saggy.
So what you want me to do? You want me to go way around and shop again, Justin, if you go buy something for you eat?
Want ice
Because right now, if you not eat, me not go eat. So here what, me I go around and shop and go see if me get the ice cream for you. You not specialize in no flavor.
Chocolate.
Me know that you love. Me soon come back, alright?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I think you go mad me, you know.
Tell the man say me have business to do. So I want him forward early. Because I now leave the place just so. I call him in.
But I see some late, you know, man.
Yeah, man, you're very late, man. Remember, say time working, you know, man.
Watch me some things I do, I mean,
Yeah, man, say, man want him place done fast, you know. You understand? So watch
Yeah.
out now, I'm sure you what go on. Let me ask you see them, man?
Yeah, my boss.
Yeah, man, you see them. You want them go on a different because you want to cash out the place, you see me?
Yeah.
So I want you go and put them on a different cash out. You have to go left now, because we look for one next property we have to go work on. So,
Yeah.
yeah, so don't worry yourself. That look good for you.
Yeah, man.
Something I got for you this year.
Yeah, I mean, it's
you
not
understand?
happening, you know.
Yeah,
You have to do it, do the right thing, you know.
The future look progressive.
May I tell you.
You hear me? So just go and do what you do. And thing. You see me?
So I'll start it from now, you know.
Yeah, man.
So give me 1 5 days then, no. Buy a drinks or something.
Go on, man. Go on, man. Where you do the money me I give you? Go on, man. Me tell you, say, yo, money me give you, if it lasts you until the work done,
Alright.
because the man now let off my money.
Alright,
I'm not going to my personal money.
Alright, do what you do. Because you have business to do with me, I have business to do with. Angle thing.
Alright.
Yeah, my father. No, sir. Bossy. Yo, me alone carry this, I'm going to want help, you know, sir. I want some help, man. I go get one of that person to help me, you know. I alone can't do this, sir.
You alone can't manage?
No, sir. Can never manage this. Come in a donkey.
You hear me, I say? Just go and work it for today, you understand? Tomorrow, anyway, pop off today, pop off. But tomorrow, make sure that we get somebody. Help us, so the work done fast. Because we said we want to get rid of the project here, so we can start the next project. So just take your time, do what you do until, alright?
I want the money come here to deal with, you know.
Don't worry yourself, man. Everything with you.
Want that. Don't worry about getting next money, you know. Yeah, the boss. Go on, straight you know. Oh, if you say them brave as such chain get grabbed now.
Jesus, go on different place now and just in the way for me, you know.
Hi, hello.
Again,
Mr. God love me. Hey, beg you a minute now.
every time when you don't want a minute, you want hour, you want a second.
No
What you
star,
want
you
this
know, say
time?
me the right. That's why I'm going to go tell us a store lock, you know. You know, say God love me. What you doing out here?
You know, say you don't want easy somebody, you go tell me say store lock and you wait till me go check and embarrass myself at the door.
No man, don't say that, man. Why you out here doing like this? Where your
You know-
boyfriend there? Why you feel let you out of the house like this?
You know, say I want ice cream, I go buy for me little boy and that's about
Little boy?
So me have to
Oh
go
God, man, you talk about little boy, man. Look, man.
man.
Boy, you look sexy and look nice. So kind of little boy you talk about. You know, no baby, man. Nobody try to trick me up,
Look
man.
here, my son are big enough, boy.
Oh, you talk about, man. Oh, you look nice.
So I'm not supposed to look nice.
Watch out. You see place lock?
Maybe
Place lock.
Jesus. Maybe we can go on the back door. Maybe they want side
No,
door.
you can't go here now because the place lock up, you know, see?
Bring me as the back side, the box cover. Look for who said them a baby sick baby. You have a papa have me neck?
Oh, tap in there, tap.
Look here. No sir. Happy to when I'm
No,
waiting
leave
to
it,
go and ball out something to her. Jesus Christ. I have to tell her man. I have to tell her man.
Yo, you hear me?
Me infant.
Happiness. We have to do that. We have to do that.
Oh. Me now
You
hold
busy
this.
people them are your friend, but no you man.
As that means I give me bun too.
No, not that man. That toast. No, that toast part.
Until I find fun.
Come on, make me. Yeah, wait
Hey,
there.
me not tell no lie, man. You see your body deserves something.
Hey,
Me can't-
that compliment, so you're
Me
going to give
can't
me
buy
in
you
a one
something.
night.
No, man, your
Well,
body you deserve something,
You
man.
can buy the ice cream for my
Nah,
son
tell
then.
no lie, man.
When
Would
I'm
have married
pressure,
you, you know. If me have a girl like him, would have married you and massage you every day, you know. Even mosquito, me no make up on you, you know.
You just a flat on me, so.
Yeah, man, would have buy you all a vehicle, man. Me would have make you walk on the road so, man. Oh, God, man.
You sound like one nice person, though.
Where you come from? Africa?
Yeah,
You look like one queen. Me not tell no lie, man.
Yes, me a queen.
Yeah, man, me not tell no lie, man. Your life come like you need a little excitement tonight, you know?
Nobody-
Yeah, man. You want a little vibes in the thing, you see me?
Well, with that, we tell you the
Yeah,
truth
man.
still, you know.
Yeah, man,
Yeah,
we can get you
more.
something now by Popeyes, you know, or by Little Caesar, you
Me
know.
don't really want to get the ice cream for myself, because I didn't
Ice
ask for
cream.
that yet.
Anything you say, you know.
What you say? You buy?
Can't wait for Marine. I'm gonna lock you and get the coffee now for this.
You just want to put you in a romantic mood, man. You know them mood they want me to talk about?
Of course, we know them who they
Yeah,
want
man.
to talk about.
They're
But
romantic
you know what?
mood, you see me?
We want to tell you thanks for the ice cream we buy.
A simple thing that day,
Yeah,
no?
but
Yeah,
you
talk
never
about,
have to do it.
A simple ABC them something there.
Well, if you say
You can
so.
buy a chocolate if you need.
Well, I don't
You see
really
what me I
need
say?
one chocolate at the moment.
Oh, you like it though.
Yeah, I like him.
But you know you're not giving me a number though.
Yes, you want to know?
I mean, man, you should even give me that.
You should have your phone out
Oh
already.
God, man. I like my phone car.
In a
Did you
not
sell me
supposed to
yours,
bother
no?
you. Come,
No,
773
773.
1513.
Me have it, man. 773 1513.
Yes.
You know, say me a boy brawling, you know, me call you anytime, you know.
No, you can't do that. Remember, say me have a man. Remember, say me live with my man, you know.
Tell my girl, man. You're a big woman, respect every woman, you know, man. You don't know, say you watch that, man. When your phone ring, you know a thing go.
Still not call me so brawling. You hear me? I tell you, please. You see, if you love me that much, as you say, don't call me brawling. Remember, say
No,
we
man,
are
remember
hide and do
saying,
this.
man, we not really hide, you know. Because a woman like you, me no want really the hide and do nothing, you know.
Jesus,
Want do things straight to the point, you see me?
It sound like you want to take me completely from a man.
I want to, man. More to fillet your fish than for you. More, you see me? More fry your fish for you, you see me? Yeah, nice juice Sunday day, you see me? Yeah.
Yeah, me know.
Yeah, move so. Yeah, the pan a little too and that's a move so. Eh?
Because you just want kind of trigger off my vibes when you tell me go, you just go call me
Body feel
anytime.
nice, man.
Yeah, everybody's supposed to feel nice.
John was star. Me if you have them body, you know.
Look here, man.
Yeah, man.
Hey, nobody go too far. Nobody go too far. Me
What's
go say
cool,
me
man?
Me even supposed to be so do all of this with you.
I want to you, man, if you man care for you, that deaf for you right I know, man. I talk about say the chain a set good, man. I talk about me.
Look here, me feel like me want go now.
Want go now?
Yeah, when you call me and so we talk, but please don't call me anytime.
Big man thing, you can't go and not give me a hug still, you know.
Just one little hug. Alright. No, please me out, Lord. Later.
Give me one more, man.
No, later.
See, I feel
want
warm,
too
man.
much. Too much you want at the first time. Look
One
here.
more.
No, good night, cause me not. Hey, those go on now. Man, look at me.
Hey,
Watch
you want
your
that? You want
Don't
that
back
kiss
now,
now?
kiss for me. Look here, go on, just go on. Let me see you again. You hear me? I tell you, you move too fast.
Hey, me I'll call you, you know. Make sure
Yeah, me hear you.
Let me call you. Me get you, you know.
Alright, take care of yourself, yeah?
I mean, man, take care of a nice body there, you know, 'cause I don't know. Yeah, man. One thing still doing, man, that chain around her neck look like a goal, you know. I wonder if a board house she live in her wall house. You know, say man, if you just circle the ends and feature it. Need man and spot out the ends and see what go on. I mean, little after me just move in and take out everything. Whole chain and anything I get palm. Thief will always be a thief. But me I want an intelligent one. Check me and make her pretty body fool me and them pretty smile. She still a get robbed. I go and feature end still. Time on God.
Justin! Yo! Wake up, man. Yo, wake up. Wake up. Look at your foot dirty. I ain't up asleep. How before I ain't up yet. Get up, man. Mommy, where mommy there?
I'm going buy ice cream.
When?
I'm going buy ice cream for me.
When?
Little bit after you left.
That sound like a long time then, man.
Yeah, that's why I sit down there to sleep.
You're nasty now, what? Take off a shot and go bed.
Let me have it again, me say this.
You know, say I'm going like a man. Boy, I'm saying, put this over your back, you know. You know, here, I'm going like a man, you know. Go bed. What list to my friends, you know, what? When me here shower turn on there too, you know, why I wash foot and wash face, you know. You hear me I tell you, boy? You're me nasty, yo.
Justin, how kind of nice this in our house?
Come in, come see boy, drop a sip over there, so you know. Say you can buy ice cream, you know. So long, you know.
So long, them me not just live Justin in our house right there, so I me run go around a shop, go buy ice cream and come back. What you mean so long?
Justin!
Yeah.
Come here!
I mean to tell me say,
Come
Justin,
here, come right here, so to me. What you tell me, say?
He don't buy ice cream and Mr. Dennis see come here wait for him.
So Justin, me not just left you and say me I go around a shop, go get the ice cream for you. So a lie you start tell your father and you say a long time me gone?
You know what I do? Listen to me. You know what I do? Justin, baby, you know what Justin, you tell lie, no? You know say I tell lie. You tell lie, no?
Justin,
You know?
don't tell your father no lie, Justin. And you need to
Opposite
stop
tell you
it.
lie.
Look here, you see simple things
No.
where you say we cause argument between me and
No,
your
that.
father. Because if you say a
no.
long time me gone, Justin, and you know
Make
me
that
just
stay.
left, you have to know what you
You know,
say.
let that stay. I grow my brain, I grow you out.
Hurry up,
Right.
come out of the bathroom, because see me come with the ice cream. You shouldn't, chop. Do
What,
what you
babe?
do and come
Go on
out.
the bed. Sure. Look up in the girl and line up.
Babes, you can get some ice cream too, you know, if you want tasty, but we have to till you come
I don't
out.
want ice cream, you know. I'm tired, you know. I understand why I come mustard back right now. Take
So
some
how
shot for
work
me.
today?
Why it's stressing me tired? Whoa, it your work stressing me to me. I have to send for somebody else to come help me. Tell boss and water next second, you know?
And you should have make take off your shirt, you know, cause me don't know how you come in, come stretch out about take off shirt. Come, cause my hand tired pan the last button, so I mean, why you get no bad intention, so
That's
you
how I
are.
never say no bills.
Me go
Every
share out
time
the
I have to do
ice cream,
something
we
for
can
me,
get
you
some.
never frowns.
Nah, frowns,
Yeah,
babes.
tell
So, me I share out this, make you get some. Me here,
Yeah,
babes.
You
Alright.
don't want enough, you know? So I look up portion.
Little portion.
Boy, me I tell you. When man have good woman, you have to just treat them right. And do the right thing. I tell you.
Babes, how you out there set to yourself?
No, so it's a meditator, no? Yeah.
Wagwan the boss.
Go on, catch everything good.
Yo, now tell us a piece of money me go link for, you know, get this time. You know what down there?
Why, you know what say?
Why me tell you right
Your
now?
piece of work, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, man. And you did that say want some help.
My
So
God.
what you know?
I'm a lucky day.
No, not today. It's tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
You don't tell him to do what he can do for now. So tomorrow what more you do is link me tomorrow.
What time?
I think if I early, man, I make care go down there and then we deal with the match, alright?
Make sure you're not tax. Come on, want to lick work, you know.
You no pressure thing, man. Talk up,
Alright.
alright?
Tomorrow, a morning early, you know.
Morning early.
Make sure you're not something come early.
You're good, man, you're
Big
good.
up, here. I respect.
Alright.
Justin, you ask my pill finish and you not even tell me. You finish it? No. Look here, I need to hurry up. As a matter of fact, let me see what left. Come on, you're done. You almost finished and you're there, the style out. You think you have time for waste? Get up and put on your shirt and you come finish pack your bag.
Take time with one boy now.
Come, but me no want to late to school. Come, Justin, you have to move fast.
Take time with one. Oh, hurry up. Hurry up too.
You can't finish eat and still sit down on the plate the style
And make
out.
sure you
Them
brush
things
your ear
don't
before
work.
you left out there, you know, because you notice like you want to
Is
know
that here, man?
I said, take time talk to me.
Justin, are you right too fine? Teacher now go see work to mark them properly. You right too fine.
See, nice man.
Write your name on the book. Justin, write your name on the book them.
Honey.
And write your school. You can't just...
Honey,
Come on, Justin,
Honey.
you need to do better, you know.
come sit down when I book them now.
He not write his
done.
name on the book cover. Our teacher gonna know an over book. Justin, do better than that, man.
Let me open it there.
But Justin, my son, you know if I get all of me, all you can see why you write that so you know.
Yeah, but you're not teacher.
Come, Justin,
No
move
sir, you
fast.
need to write more bigger man.
You
can
argue with your
understand.
father more than how you ready. That me know.
What? Mama, me I say me go to school at J post.
Come, Justin, I learn me. I say you go learn. You hear me? I tell you. Come, Justin, make
Boy, you know you're enough talk when your mother talk. You know
Yes,
here.
calm down. You still not have to deal with him so rough, you know.
I know man, I know. I love him, I know I try to teach me right.
But saying in listen, I learn
Justin,
still in a learning
I'm notice you know,
process.
you come home from school, the car clothes dirty, you know, Justin. I don't want you to play no Karachi at school, Karachi.
Well, I know they nowadays play
No,
and
man.
they play hard. Don't, yeah, fuck the one every night. Oh, your lunch money. When they tell you if you bring home $700, you still have it, right? So put this with it because guess
You know
what?
my son in love money,
I
you
have
know.
no change and I can't give you that. Me no want
No
you
money,
spend
you
no
can't
shit.
Make sure you say you can fifla. You
Don't
say
argue with
save.
your father. Don't argue with your father.
When Saturday I come up, you want go on things now, Justin.
Justin, you must clean your shoes from overnight. Come on. Time they going
You
up.
can't let go of that, so you know.
Clean it for me.
Justin, you have too much attitude. Come. Put in your foot. You talk to you every day. Justin, clean your shoes from overnight. All you play is game. Babes, the washing brush. Yeah, this is bad too, you know. Me not even business with you, no, cause me not make you mad.
Love my son, you know, I love my family.
Me know you do anything for him. And I see him slippers where you
Next
have a
time,
wash off me
I'm gonna buy your
sneakers.
clocks.
Babes, remember say at least me use wash me sneakers and Justin shoes are black, you know.
No, man, we can't buy one next one, you know, remember. Come here, work here now.
Come son, not me lost your money, put up your money properly. Alright now, come, you look like a baby. Come, put on
No,
your bag.
wait. Where brush there? I brush there, babe.
You trying to brush your ear?
Brush your ear, yeah.
You know me brush your ear already, you not
Oh.
see good. Come here son, if me follow you in late. If you're there,
Me and my boy forgot to cook clean, you know.
all them something you adjusting, you have to roll on from you just come out of the shower, make you roll on dry, then you put on your shirt. Babes, you go walk him.
Yes, I'm gonna walk in, I got work too, you know. I don't want to be late.
It's alright, everything good. Justin, later, you hear, Papa? Go on to school, yeah? See you when you come back. So, babe,
Kitchen food.
so why you up to now?
I'm going to work
Yeah, just I got work now, just
right now because I know for it me ever do, you know.
as Justin left, you left anyway, later.
Later, you
As
know.
you drink it tea, you're gone. Take care of yourself, you hear?
Yeah,
I
man,
work
same to
too
you.
hard.
No, oh God, man, you know I'm not gonna do that.
Alright,
Me
later.
one next second, I'm not really kill out myself, you know.
Alright, babe, later.
Yeah.
Go clean up your place, finish do what I have to
Where I look fancy.
It is like mental.
Them bougie, you like them?
Yeah, but like when person be. The person be nice.
They obviously.
Yes.
Wait they do.
Eh?
Wait they know. I know someone growing a share now.
Machina.
Go and go look for her.
Really, Falan?
Yes. I'm friend, I see my friend from long time.
Me and you. What you want to grow Shane I could do already.
You know, we know about more growing you go do.
But me not see. So me no must know.
Me nah good up. Me nah been here no informer. Me no informer.
So what you want to tell the girl for that?
I just want to look for her a long time in the see her.
But that no make no sense.
Personally.
Leave it alone. I know so my mind tell me say I gonna do something like this.
Me nah do nothing like that. Stop convince yourself that boss me I go do that no.
And you know better, you know?
Yes, me know better. But I know me have man a yard and I go a road go look at a man. That a girl be a wicked girl, you know. But I know that me a grow on the pants still.
Listen, I tell you something.
Me nah do this.
Listen, you want to listen to me?
Me nah do that.
Oi, listen to me.
But I never do them something to you.
Listen.
You see?
Yeah, let me talk, I'm not talking.
Right.
Any day, me find out, say, you have a next man,
So not that me.
Falan, to go see who me do with you. And you're not gonna like it.
Mood I want make it thing right around this, but me not trouble this, so. Me not say nothing. Just believe me now. Jesus.
Of course, me believe you, but me never want you come with this idea, brother. You know, look good.
I no idea. It's what's happening.
You know, say the best thing for the focus by me and you. And the best thing
Me
that
and you
I tell
focusing on each other is different from that. That is a situation. That is an altercation.
Come here.
What is now?
Why about me put you
Again.
down?
How long you reason this so? Me know say you convince you try to convince me now if you not go look for my friend Shane, you know. I'm a friend.
Look here, me. I go. Look
All
here,
right,
now. Look here,
Counselor,
now. I go follow you ground there.
Yeah, that more here.
But when you grow up, me know why you start no conflict.
Me not start
And
no.
mash up the people in relationship.
No,
You can't do
I
that for
would
me?
never do that. I am not a home wrecker.
You can't do that?
I will do that.
Okay then, so come on.
Alright, come on now. I don't even say long time, you know. So.
I don't know how I see you setting but he soon forward, he say want some help.
So basically, this we are do.
Yeah. So look at things did around. If he start, but they come like him to do the next thing then, because there are some block over there, so he move and put there so. I mean, I wonder how this never go down little more.
So what we are doing for boss here? Cast we go cast so.
Yeah man,
Alright.
How in there man?
We can start get the work together, you know.
Wait, see my coming. You understand?
I am this.
Yeah man.
Yeah, where are you there?
Damn general.
Yeah, me not say no.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, you say you want help?
Yeah,
you
man.
get help right after, you see me?
Yeah.
So, you know you're not more fire, you know?
Awesome, good and a long
Alright.
get help, you know?
Alright, so you do what I do?
Yeah.
Me do what I do?
Yeah, man.
So,
Understand.
what are the boss? Let me say something. So, I owe a little thing. Go.
No man, I see
Same procedure.
Same regular day
Alright.
here we are in the street. Alright, do what I do?
Me have two prop up here, so. And I say, we should have them put them right here, so first, before me finish sweep, cause I want to know if me can wear them or if me have to go end up give my mother. So, match them out right here, so. Me never wear them yet. I got 1 year. Never wear them yet. Think it affect my mother cause she have more body than me and the 1 year kind of broad. You see, a babes and buy me then too fat me. Never forget the day, 1 time.
Judge. Make a call and I'll spill. And if she not go answer her phone.
How this I call the phone? I don't know that number yet. Hello?
Wagwan, baby.
Wagwan baby, who this?
T, I recognize the voice.
Me can't catch no voice no cause me not always have man they talk to on my phone, so if a wrong number you have you hang up.
Hey, baby, relax, no man.
T, man, I move, so I don't there in the town, you know, baby.
Oh, me know who now.
You pick up now.
Recognize the voice now.
T, man. Right now in the town, me there, I'm kind of bored, you know, because you know, say them look a nice body that I look on with yet. Right now, more I look on your body, you know, there, you can't link up.
Me never went plan for this.
Me went kind of busy. I do something still, so me gonna take. Just give me a little time.
If me come, me cannot stay long.
Hey, my friend, hurry up, put on the lock on the door and come on, baby.
Well, me and now.
It is no problem.
Walk left, my son.
Voilà. You more you do. Me know what you tell Shane. See you see her.
Me did tell her say me go say nothing.
Because if you tell her, me don't want to cause a problem between you and him boyfriend.
Me not cause no problem.
You
Me never tell her
understand?
say me go say nothing.
Good. So come on.
Me ziplock.
Okay. Woo.
360.
Hey, baby.
Oi, where you are going now?
Where you are going? Follow me
sign
on the
up.
one big woman, you know.
What about Shayna?
You can't see me with me nice.
Me know a woman I go run
rocket.
racket.
Fallon, me not stay like some girl. I'm trying.
I wonder why.
Oh, you mean wonder why? Fallon, me live with me man when me could have go run
That
racket.
you make come out say? Think me not see you other night?
See who other night? Where you fi stay see me other night? Fallon, me
Come
not walk
here,
night.
me talk. Yes, me soon come.
Yeah,
Give me
man,
a
there,
sec.
so.
You know, say not easy.
Me see you other night.
Which part you see me, Fallon?
You are a man. Me see you a man. And I know your man where you have over your yard that the man did.
So Fallon, if you see me as somebody, you never see we are do nothing. What you see we are
A
do?
close up me see. And them the close up there and a brotherly hug. And a sisterly hug and a none of that.
You dey talk too loud. That
What
because
talk
your
too
man
loud?
did this and you good as all said.
Him not hear
So
nothing.
Fallon,
Him harder
which
deaf,
part
you
you
know.
did there? Which part you did there?
You know business what me want. Me dey somewhere aspire like a
Fallon,
CCTV.
it's not what you think. I know nothing serious.
I know nothing serious, Shane. I saw something funny.
So, you're not easy enough if you go and say no?
You have to go on so. You don't have to worry yourself still. Sign seal.
Sometimes
Me
when
not
you
say
say something
nothing.
don't mean it.
Me say, you know, until you lock down padlock so, I saw you lock.
So, Fallon, alright. Since we have that lock
You know emoji pani something where you send where the zip go so on me that.
Alright, Fallon, so just make everything rest right there, so.
Make it dead right there so because of your partner just come and you have to worry yourself.
And what that's supposed to mean?
We can't give me half of your hand, you know?
No. After
Alright,
me
you
have
want me
big
to chat
chance
then?
in my...
Alright, you want me to carry news then?
Fallon, you can't
Alright,
do that.
me mouth zip up and back then.
Alright, Fallon. So
Tell me what me want here.
Since you are going to blackmail me, Fallon.
I no blackmail.
Me I go pay you for lock your mouth.
That could have blackmail, white girl, you don't want to call it anything.
You see, then say when you're in a lion mouth, you take time and dry out.
Yeah,
so
I know den, you're there, den.
You're
in the den.
Fallon, me I go pay you for lock your mouth. So you see, any of you take half of my partner money, Fallon, and me hear nothing, Fallon.
What you gonna do?
Fallon, and me hear nothing, me and you have to deal
Yeah,
with. Because no, you have to
no,
give
if you want me,
when
you pay me that time, and you want me to come stop talk, you pay me again.
No,
talk
Fallon,
again.
one time you see me.
Alright, you pay me money.
When you see me next, go and get dry, right?
Yeah, me
you're going to take the half. And I'm
alright,
like,
look.
Argument done. Me I can't go about my business. Because you see, sometimes, I see friend thing out sometimes.
You go on. Try and buck your tour. You go on.
Satisfied now, come, I go home.
Make sure you can go on. If pan no left, do call left pan.
I'm tapping nice. Stop it
And
now.
you don't know
Stop
what
it
you're
now.
talking about. We are talking about the Holy Spirit.
Jesus Christ, Fallon look like she see me fit you know. Because her information them so concrete and solid. And then, you know what? She want half of my partner money for lock her mouth. And anyhow she call me name. Me not gonna make this stop me still, you know. Because this a boy they give me a good vibes. They tell me things I want to hear so far. And you know what? Me just go chill out with him. Because at the end of the day, I know nothing serious me and him, you know. I go about my business and go see what can go on here, man. Fallon, she alright, love people, business.
Anything happening on Kingston, man? Go ahead with this, man.
Yeah, quiet about that.
Go, hold it. Yo, see that Jack, hold it for my mouse. That's it. I mean about Kingston, you know, I'm a country me come from.
Country.
I'm a guy. I talk about Kingston.
Country, man. Kingston I come from.
I walk like country, man.
Man.
And a real country, man, you how do you
I'm making him a top of king for your boss.
Yeah, man. Yo, right now, I'm plant a jelly.
Alright.
Hello, see me over here, sir. What's that? So you're hot like a jobs. Oh, what you doing?
Alright.
Well, you know, so me buy some chicken, you know, me don't want to have you waiting out here, you know.
But I feel like you can catch me with no chicken, you know.
Nah, man, we are talking about catch you with chicken. Me could have look for catch you with chicken, a nice girl like you.
Oh, because through your
We just,
second
we
meat
just,
and...
we just don't want to keep you waiting, and while you're waiting, I want you to have something to eat, you know what I mean?
Well, fair enough.
Yeah.
Alright.
So everything nice, though.
Yeah, man, everything alright.
Man, as me I say, man, don't want to keep you waiting. Like, why say you don't want a piece of the chicken?
Anything. Never really hungry still,
I
but...
tell no lies, still not what. Me never really want to pull the chicken to you. Hey.
Yeah, open the chicken. Remember, say me not have all the time with you.
Boy, your body look healthy, though.
Body supposed to help.
Like you
Look
drink
here.
a lot of Lasco and everything.
My son father feed me well.
Why you dey tell me about your baby father? A quality time now, baby. And me a year time now. You know where your man there right now? Man left the waste man. What you talk about, man?
Forget that, anything you say.
What you talk about, man? Right now we just want to have a nice time, baby. Here.
Alright, you just kill that guy.
Right now, me just well want Europe case the chicken to Europe, get up around the house.
Get up, go on our house.
You just worry yourself, so. Yeah, I enjoy chicken though.
Of course, when I buy chicken and sell it.
Hold on, taste piece of my one.
No, you see me I eat piece already.
So yeah, push me up, so.
Look here, you get too personal. Remember, say we not there and me have my man a yard.
Say now if you behave, so. Yeah, move, so.
I mean, oh, me a move, so you move too fast. And I don't like it.
Ah, you buy a piece of something. You can dare say you can't buy a piece of chicken. I want to hear. Sure, so what's wrong with that?
Now?
You're dead. Sure.
And first thing, nobody feel like this go happen so after there.
School, no, man. What you worry about?
Me have to worry, remember, say me have a life ahead of me. Me have to worry.
Your granny you grow with, you will have pressure in a baby.
You can't say anything.
You know, if you put things on your head, man. That's what I say. When you finish eat, man, we just take a walk around her. You know what I mean?
I'm not going to stay long, yeah?
I just that you worry about. No worry about them things, no, man.
You have to worry.
Have peace, more chicken.
Again?
Have peace, no.
Hey, look here, let me tell you this. Me and you not there, you hear me I say? No, nobody feel like say me and you there. You come from fire and kiss for me. A public with you, you know. You can't run them the serious joke there. People have eyes, you can't do that. You can't just a fire and kiss for me like that in a public.
Do it again, man. Satan, man, you're not for the go on, so watch out nice, man. You're not for the blaze up, so watch out.
How do that with there now?
Just cool, man. I eat your chicken, man. You know, me not do it again, man. That's me, because I don't want to beat up your reputation, you know. You saw me I say?
Just make sure, you know.
Right now, stop pack up the chicken, you know, because I don't know a thing come now, you know, because right now, me just want tour, we just want the tour place, you know. We coming like tourists from America.
So where you make you walk?
With
Because
tour.
you're not going to go nowhere far, right?
Yeah,
I'm soon ready to
put
go
me on
home.
right, that's all.
Public with you know.
Yeah.
Public with you.
Hold on now. Hey, we out the public now, you know, what you say?
No, I'm ready for go home anytime late. Look here, a public we still in a public.
Look,
What you tell
we
me
alone
about?
stand up brighter.
No, excuse me, I can't go on back.
Where you go?
Me I go on back.
You can't walk you right, so guy.
Me not know I pass around here, so.
Me can show you, man. Me good pan direction, man. Me can show you, man.
Nobody feel like you follow me come up on my yard, you know.
Come here, man. Come on, man. Sure.
Right now, me afraid, because guess what, we almost reach a yard.
So that's why you push up me and so.
You have to still have little respect, you know.
I mean, man, because I don't want to beat up your thing, you know.
Alright, over here, so many.
Which part? Over there, there?
Yeah, right here.
So hold on. Where your man there?
In Ghana work, you know, come back here.
So me can't come over there come
No,
watch.
you can't come. If you come, I tell you, say, me no want nobody see
I
me.
mean, man, the man gonna work, man. Come
You
here, come.
can't do that.
You talk about
Me
babes.
not have enough time on the road already and them little something there.
Alright, time for me go
Let
over
me
there,
just
go help you do what you
give
do over
one
there,
little
eh?
over and go on.
That can't work, man. What you talk about, man?
So why
Come on, man. You can't come meet your son.
my son no over there, my son no come from school.
Me not stay long, man. Me just want to look on the house,
You
man.
know, say,
Just come here, me go show me color house. Me
don't
not
stay
stay long,
long,
you know.
make sure, you know.
Oh, God.
One,
Dog over there.
no, just
Oh.
come.
Go on, man.
Me have to look
Remember,
if
say you
nobody
have
else
some
come,
nose in
hurry
here, boy,
up.
no, man. Just-
Better get too personal. I just
One
that
thing
me
with
no
me,
like
say,
with
man,
you.
man, like from the first day, me see you, man, you just all full of
And
jewelry.
then hold on for me so what I give.
No start, oh, she had no face, you want big old wall house, me not come look for no start. What not know yourself for me?
Sure, then here me move like so and I
She no start. People like them save their money still, you know. You must have a money hide up in a place still, you know. She no start. Can't get gold one way, must can get gold next. No man, everything good, man. Me just say place nice, you know. But me I say, yo, God no. If you see one wall house, me not come look for still, you know.
What are you supposed to mean by that?
Don't worry about that, man. I want pay, man. Me can build what build in a wall house, you know, man. Don't
Look
worry
here,
yourself,
you're not
man.
supposed to come and inspect nowhere so far. So you know where they talk about the wall house or what. I have a roof over
Show
me
for
head.
that. Oh.
Yeah, my boyfriend and me want good footballer.
Yeah, no, see.
Him
Place
still
nice,
can play
man.
football and so him having trophy them and
A son,
him did
a
win
son,
one big
yeah, man.
elephant over there so too.
Yeah.
Yeah man,
You
yeah,
can
it's a
look
music
funny.
man. Yeah man, you can look funny.
Same thing you valuable, you know.
Yeah, but so nice and
Yeah,
me
man.
want you so no, me never want you
Yeah,
take
man,
it
you
down.
valuable.
Me did want you just stay far and look funny cause me no want you drop here and make it break. You know them something here in cherish, there's something here, you know. Watch out, you can't do that. You can't lock the
My
door.
girl, I want you, man. Easy, no, man. Your son not there, your husband not there. I want you, nobody not there. You can't give me one little
No,
piece.
you can't just come in and look
School,
here,
no,
a
man.
problem you're going
Baby,
to put
just
me in
relax,
a
relax, no,
room.
man. Cool, no,
You
man.
like there's something
Baby,
here,
the
you know.
school, man. Me not go take long, man. Just give me one
You're
little
going to
piece,
take
man.
long, you can't
Okay,
see
man.
all the crush up with
Oh,
dress.
take up your dress,
them.
take up your dress. Hurry up,
You
no,
like
baby.
there's something here. You can't do that. Look here, please.
my
Just
baby,
no
just-
bother with. Me not like. You know.
I see you're rough, man. Calm down, baby. I see you're rough, man. You can't calm down.
You're going to take long and my son
Make your
go
kid.
cook. Me no, you can't do that.
Put back your foot, man. Tell me to a man, man. You know me at the jam. Be nice, man. Not chat too much, man. Give me some, give me some. Put your back your foot on the shoulder. On the shoulder. Put your foot on the shoulder, no, man.
Daddy, I
No,
get
man.
bun.
You know me a woman.
Daddy, I get bun.
Cock up
Be a
me.
probably man go on. Get put my foot in the ear.
Oh, God. I say nice, man. I go all the night.
Watch out.
How are the man me a dig you like
I
a
go
yam
put
me
till
a
daddy
dig, man.
come. Be a probably man go on.
Yeah, man, I don't know. Next evening after I work again. Jaja. Yeah, man, you know, so I get the next piece of money. You know, say that I had enough for the money what I save. You know, so I love my woman dead. Not real life, no jokes. I know I am youth and thing, and we live good, we live hard, we live a peaceful life, you know, and none happen to us. You understand? And she knows I love her. I mean, I go hard, I do my best. Right now, you know, say birthday I come up and want to go up on a special date. Understand? Me even want to buy her something on the side, make it look very special. Because I tell her I love the woman there, you know. And my son, show the boy, not even like here, but I love him same way because I know I'm a boy. And she love her extra. I showed it, she not even know, you know. She not even know if I breeze of a pitch for her, I feel it, you know. Yo,
Me I tell you, love her, man, I swear.
Sure, look how me tell you.
I want to hear, man, that's easy, no, man.
Come
Nobody
here now, so
nobody not fi
suppose
know,
the
man.
come.
Yeah, there, what you
Just
worried
hurry
about?
up and come on. Just hurry up and go on. Hurry up, just nobody
Hold on,
stay
man.
no longer. Come
Hold
now.
on, man.
Come here to fix
So
up
we
what
are
me
worried
here
about,
and
yeah, we are
come.
talk about, you your yard, man. If
Tell
your
me
man a
don't
come,
stay
if
long
your man a come, just go on like you asleep, man,
Don't
and
take
drop
this
down.
as a habit, you know. Come.
So when me can check you. Let me see you again.
Backside. Me
would-
son, me
Catch your mommy, me catch you.
Justin,
Me catch
whenever I
you.
do nothing, you don't fix it something.
Yeah,
Right over there, sir.
Yeah, man, you see that
just
switcher?
yeah.
This a switcher.
See it, and he did a work on this. You remember that there shortage in a switch and
Yeah,
them
man, and that
something
switcher, the shape, they go
Yeah.
on to screw.
No, never wrong with
Justin,
the switch.
remember Justin, me even did a talk to you about
Yeah,
it.
man, you
Say,
see why you
Justin,
want
come
to say
in.
you want to plug.
Justin, even the golden where you hear him talk about him, I say me gonna need a golden switch. Justin is not what you think. You hear me
Mommy,
I tell you?
see you here, we always look so.
Oh, you mean you hear Justin?
Mommy, look
listen.
where you hear.
Justin,
You hear,
your
look,
mother, they hear they
raga.
work hard. Me I bend down and I get up back and take up something. The assist him.
You mean bend over?
Each time me bend, Justin here flip like this and he come back. Me I take
Bend
up.
down, bend down.
Justin, look, and me take up something and me give it to the man. So
You're
he
not
can't strip
bend
the
down,
wire.
you're
the
bend
man.
over in
Justin,
here.
don't have Simothy man ears. Just a little child.
You make me father chop him up.
Justin, you cannot do that. Justin,
make me
don't
father
set
chop
war
him up.
between me and your father in here.
Look how you in there saying go tell him father, you know, you and me no know a girl baby father, you know. No man come kill me. Right now me are going to go bribe a little youth, you know, because the little youth can't mash up your plan.
Justin, you cannot have such
No,
a
youth,
Simothy
you
mind.
can't
Why
talk
you
to your
mind
mother
so
like that,
Simothy?
youth.
Eh?
So why
do that,
you
man.
come back in your
No
body?
man, Easter come, look man, Easter come man.
Take off your bag.
Me
Take
take
off
off
your
myself
bag,
in a
son.
I forgot to say Easter.
Take off your bag.
Buy a bun and cheese, man.
Me no want no bun.
Get this
Justin, calm
But
down.
dry goods can't full belly.
Justin,
You don't want this?
Lord have mercy.
Oh, where you get the little youth from? Little youth, take the money.
Me no want your money. Me
Just
have to pay
everything-
me
buy
father.
anything
Justin,
you want to buy.
don't have to tell your
Look
father.
at you.
nothing. Look here, look for
Youth,
mommy now.
come now man, a $5,000 this in a youth. You hear
Dead
that?
or alive,
Look on
you
this
tell me
youth.
father pie.
You.
Dead or
You never say
alive.
nothing, man.
Justin,
Yo,
you know
buy
what?
Dead
it.
or
Buy the
alive.
Nintendo game, you
Lord
hear?
have mercy.
Me
Buy the
I keep this
Nintendo
and you
game.
not get it back. I'm still tell me
Justin,
father.
Justin,
Yo,
you
buy
don't
one
have to-
Nintendo game. You.
Justin, calm down. Please, me, I beg you, Justin. Sing, give your money already for
We
buy
might give
bun.
money if you buy bun.
Lord have mercy.
Me no want no bun. Me father get bun already.
Justin, stop it, Justin.
So Justin, you know play a game?
Yeah, me play a game.
Me go get your PlayStation.
Me no want no
Justin,
PlayStation.
Latest
Justin,
one,
take the
latest
game
one.
and
You
come.
know the latest PlayStation.
He not go stand up.
Alright. If you anyhow you no come in time, chopping a go on.
No
They go
worry
make me
yourself.
father bun
Justin,
chop.
Justin, no worry yourself,
Justin,
my
it
boy.
don't
Remember, say
reach
me is
there,
electrician. So, you see, next work me go up and I go make you get it, man, with enough cartridge.
Look here, alright
And
now.
CD
Look
and
here,
whatever,
we
yeah?
are take to
Yeah,
one
me
for
too.
So,
send
no
me
worry
one.
yourself, my
Justin,
boy.
he
Next
said
time,
go
you
get
hear?
it and he go get it.
Alright,
You can't
alright,
go on now.
alright, you hear?
Alright, later.
Yeah, man.
Justin, look here, let me tell you this. And everything you run, go tell your father. You hear me? I say, cause you see, sometimes when you think you see things, and now what you think you see.
Mommy, me no blind.
Justin, sometimes your eye will foggy. Justin, you just a come from school. You
Mommy, me see you in my bed, king out so.
Justin, no, Justin,
And
me
he
did
much
have-
about the golden.
Justin, because we are, him a go put on a golden switch on it. Justin, don't get back to there, so
Mommy,
Justin.
you have money if you buy golden switch?
Justin, remember me and your father a good saver, you know, Justin. Put up your money in your pocket and, as a matter of fact, change your uniform. Change. And me and you now go through this. When daddy come, everything normal. Me hot and me lie down on the bed. The reason why me ear look so me explain that to you already and me go fix it right now.
Put money to pop off of me area and go sell it, you know, you. Don't know what money for them area. Bombard star or what that? No one American pro power that, brother. But my youth. You don't even that pull in a youth. Yo. Watch man. See I come spot out to say in there.
Remember, say me and you and your father, we not live bad in our house. We live good. And we want to keep it that way. We not make nothing change that. Alright?
Me say anyhow, me not get the PlayStation, me mouth a go yap.
Justin, you're going to get it, Justin. Justin, go and go change your clothes.
Watch out. You're a big man. How you do me gate?
Oh, you live here, something
How you mean if I live here, so? Yeah, my general, I don't know, see other men treat them in a pray, brother. Cause I mean, I look over here to see if nobody over there to beg them peace. I mean,
I wonder why you're tired and you look like you lost a shed in a brother.
no, general, the men treat my father. Why you see you can't give me peace, right?
What you mean, man? You can't get peace, of course, man. No problem, no, man.
You respect me, general, man. Cause you don't know, no, man. You have to respect your high place, you know, cause you see how far I stay.
See there? Yeah, man. That you can transplant peace side to you, see it? I really like.
No see a word, my general. Man has
Yeah,
respect.
man has respect. But next time, not do that, you know.
No, my God, man. You're good, man.
All them bleach up, boy, short pants at top of my game. No understand. Yeah.
Oh God, Billy, man. Sure, come and tell him if it take time. Oh God. Yeah, Babes. Babes. There, man. In here, son.
Babes.
Yeah, Babes. Welcome, Babes. Nothing, you know, sir.
You alright?
Yeah,
How
man.
you good? You good?
Nothing, me alright, man.
Daddy, come. Hey. I wonder if I tell him. So me not tell him, but if me not get the PlayStation, me I go chat. Alright.
We take off your
You want to rap me, they come like say.
Evening, Daddy.
My son, you alright?
Justin, you done bed already?
How was school?
You did
Oh,
alright.
your sweater stiff, so Babes. Come. Justin, go back
The
in your
bunch up did
bathroom.
come to school. I mean, I want them to buy bun for you, but me I say, you want me now go bother buy?
Justin, you know, say your
You nah
father
go
no
to-
like bun.
But me I say my hard
That
working
with
man, you
cheese.
now go to eat the dry good. So me I say,
Boy.
why you now go eat the dry good? So me
It's
say,
like I
alright.
care about your father, though.
Justin, you know your father very hardworking, right?
Yeah, but people are work harder than me now they was saying.
What? What you say?
No, mommy, I work hard in the dep and the bread and work out and when you get up in bread up in bed.
Oh, okay.
oh, come
Cause
to
me
me
know
here,
you
bro.
when you come here spread up your bed. Babes, when you come in, me I spread your bed, right?
Yeah.
And you know me always I work hard. Me
Yeah,
work
yeah.
till me sweat in this house
You
sometimes.
work hard and you sweat more than anything else, you know.
More than anything
Boy,
else.
me
And
tell
Justin know that too.
Exercise and everything.
Oh, cause me sure
And
know
when you done
say,
in bread up in bed.
cause me sure know say when you come me there spread up your bed that you not come see me and spread your
Yeah,
bed
man,
same
you're
way,
a
babes.
hard-working girl, you know.
Me work till me sweat in this house
man.
and the two one who can testify to
You
that.
ever sweat more than anything else.
You know what? Go and go finish do what you do, you hear? And watch your mouth.
You alright, my
Go
son?
put down them clothes your
Alright.
You see you.
Baby,
Yeah.
I need something to eat. My belly feel empty.
Your belly
you know.
empty?
Yeah, man.
Alright, relax right here. So me I go in the kitchen and get you something. You hear me?
Alright.
Lie down. Cock up your foot if you want. Cock
No,
up
sir,
your foot. I feel your place, you know.
I'm going to come for them because tired. You know
When
what?
you go and work
they
and you
massage.
work hard work and you come and yard, no farmer work you know do. In a house, out a door, you just relax.
That's why I love you, so you can take care of me. You know?
Who there yard work in a house and work out a
Sure,
door.
yeah, man. I know
Yeah,
like.
come here, baby.
Yeah, man, me I wait for you. I take long with the food there.
Me I give you like one tea to for your stomach.
Yeah, man, boss, you could gas there.
Alright.
Why gas? I build up on my chest, yeah. Don't want to build up, you know.
Yeah, man. Yo, I don't want to come to the end of the movie. Epic, yeah. You understand? I watch you know. And I say done, you know. So look out. Look out for the next part. You understand? That go epic. Yeah. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, alright?